Bitcoin went above 20,000. How long did it take? Why is this happening? Well, we're looking here at the news in reference to ARK Investment. Says Bitcoin holders remain strong in 2022 with BTC Prime for major move. How does this benefit you and me? Number one is that those who own Bitcoin are holding onto it for dear life. It doesn't matter that it drops to the ground. What matters is that they are holding. What do they know that you and I probably are not aware of on a first basis? Number one is they are not selling. They are not selling. Obviously, they're holding. But why? Well, the reason is because, as explained in this article here by Kathy Wood, let's just take a look at a few lines in reference to it. According to ARK Investment firm, there remains a robust cohort of long-term Bitcoin holders who were not moving their crypto holdings despite high-profile cases of fraud and a collapse in price. ARK Investment says the percentage of supply last moved in 2 or more years is at an all-time high of 47%, and that CoinDays destroyed data indicates long-term holders did not look for opportunities to sell. This is an issue that many people have. Bitcoin, yes, you can make money on the daily run if you like, but it's a long-term hold if you want to see the bigger returns on it. However, if you're looking to make an income, then you might go in and out on a daily basis. That is up to you. I can't tell you how to do that, but there is something bigger that happened with Bitcoin. In the last 3 to 4 days, it went from 17,000 all the way to 21,000. Did it hold 21,000? Don't expect Bitcoin to stay in one point forever. It's going to move just like the markets have moved since the 1800s. The stock market has always moved. It never remains in the same place forever. You can see here in this chart that Bitcoin went to 21,000 and then it just slid back just a little and consolidated into this 20,000 area. Is it going to stay there? No. It most probably will drop down a bit more to where it was or even below that. I'm holding on some money to be able to invest if it goes below the mark that it was at in the last 3 to 4 days in 17,000 range. Now, what moved the market to do this? It's a CPI index, the consumer price index. The numbers were favorable, so people went in and invested in Bitcoin and as well as the stock market. I'm up in my accounts, as I showed yesterday in video, which I will leave up here in the link. But just remember, number one is holding for the long term is very important. Most people today and age hold for 28 seconds, whereas in the past, the last 10, 20 years, people used to hold for minimum 5 years. It's a difference. Number two, don't sell because of the panic, because people are telling you, oh, this is horrible, it's horrible. Sell if you want to, but the reality is the longer you hold, the better chances are you have of making some money. There's always risk. Risk is involved in trading. There's always risk. And always remember that Bitcoin can change at the spur of a moment. Will it always remain there? Absolutely not. It will continue to move up and down just like everything else does. That's a reality. You have the opportunity to make some investments if you can park money that you don't need to use for 5, 10, 20 years. That's the only way to do it. If you're playing with your rent money, with your money that you have for bills, then guess again, that's not the right way to do it. And remember, I am not your financial advisor. Always seek the help of a professional in order to make the best decisions for you. Until the next one, we'll review another session of the markets. Take care.